Let's shift our focus to the national capital because it seems like there's no good news on that front. Sweltering heat and bad air is taking a severe toll on Delhiites. The Delhi air quality has entered the severe category after witnessing 4 poor AQI days in a row. The AQI, in fact, has gone above 400 owing to easterly winds. In addition, the AQI will continue to stay in the very poor state for the next few days. Owing to the current crisis, the Commission of Air Quality Management conducted an urgent meeting with all the agencies. While the air quality body is not planning to impose measures under the Graded Response Action Plan, or better known as the GRAP, but has ordered officials to spring into action to tackle air crisis. Now, the air quality body has asked the agencies to intensify their actions to tackle the rising dust with dust control measures as the top focus. Now, as Delhi continues to sizzle at 42 degrees Celsius, the air quality body ordered the agencies to keep a watchful eye on the dust arising from construction sites, demolition activities, roads, and the open areas. So clearly, as far as we speak about citizens living in the national capital, it continues to remain the same story. GRAP orders, of course, in Delhi, which is on hold, is what we understand. Remember, Delhi continues to simmer at 42 degrees, so it is a double whammy. There's no relief from the weather. There's no relief from the air as well. In fact, this is something that we get to witness every year. But in terms of the heat, also adding to another factor, because anyway, given conditions of the weather is not making things easier for citizens, but the AQI has now entered severe category as we speak, and the air quality body has, of course, issued orders and the agencies to intensify these particular measures to kind of change what it's looking like on the ground. But very important to note that the dust control is also in focus. Let me take that point across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who's joining me. Sabyasachi, a very good morning. But otherwise, this is not a great day to be looking forward to, or a great season. You know, on one hand, we're talking about these scorching numbers. On the other hand, we're talking about the AQI story, which never seems to change for the national capital. What is it that viewers definitely have to know, given the on-ground situation at the moment?
Well, absolutely. See, for the people of the national capital, trouble is continuously increasing. See, because earlier they had to deal with the scorching temperature that is being witnessed here in the national capital. Temperatures being recorded over 40 degrees Celsius. And now the AQI level once again has reached into the severe category. See, less than 24 hours ago, the air quality index was being recorded over 300 in some parts of the national capital. It was recorded at over 400 also. See, at this particular time, the meteorological department has said that because of the unfavorable wind condition, the AQI level will continue to get worsened here in the national capital. And at this particular point, the Delhi government also has said that they would do all that is needed on ground to make sure that they can provide much relief for the people here in the national capital, to make sure that the construction activities that is going on here in the national capital that adds to the air pollution could be brought down, to which the Delhi government says that they would act on it actively and make sure that water sprinklers and other measures are being taken to make sure that people of the national capital can at least get some fresh air to breathe, because on the other hand, they have to deal with the scorching temperature, and now the pollution level is also continuously increasing here in Delhi.
Right, Sabyasachi. In fact, you're drawing things into perspective for us, but we also appreciate, given the conditions on ground, you're getting us those important details.